Good morning, everybody. Here to dye up another shirt for you. It's been soaking in our soda ash, our sodium carbonate, for the last 30 minutes or so. We're gonna twist it up and throw some color on it. Coming along for the ride. We got an XL. This is gonna be my coworker's spiral that she wanted, and she wanted a turquoise, hot pink, and purple. Turquoise, magenta, and purple is what she said, but I think hot pink would probably be about right. Hot pink's kind of magenta-y. Do we have something more magenta than that?
Maybe like maroon, that's what I was thinking.
Banded up nice to the dyeing rack.
Should I grab this maroon while we're still over here?
Yeah. Isn't it dark though?
Look
We'll
at
see.
magenta.
Magenta is like magenta pink.
I know, but...
That hot pink is magenta, man, I'm telling you.
Okay.
Stop. And we don't have very much of it, but that's okay. We don't need very much. We're gonna do mostly turquoise and purples. We have plenty of deep purple, plenty of turquoise. Starting it off with some of that hot pink. That's good. That's good. That's good. Because we don't have enough to do that many squares in pink.
I have another one.
Oh, okay. I didn't know. I thought we were almost out of it. Oh, okay. Yeah. Shoot, yeah. Go for it.
Daddy killing my vibe over
Turquoise.
here.
Yeah, you do your work. I'm sorry. I didn't know we had a backup. Babes is back tie-dyeing, by the way, people. She's feeling better. Babes is back to health. Back dyeing them up. That's gonna be a deep purple there too. I think it's gonna look really good, don't you?
Yes.
Just what she wanted. She said purple, magenta, and turquoise. So here we go.
That's what we're doing.
This is the XL, right?
Yeah.
Oh. That's probably good. That's such a deep color, you know.
These last is hot pink since I was told to be sparing earlier.
I know, man. I didn't know. Didn't know you had another one. I should have known. I mixed it, so you think I would remember? Look. I mixed all these dyes. It's been a few weeks. So. Yeah, people say you can't let them sit. You totally can. And yeah, the color might change a little bit, but as long as you store them properly, they really will be okay. So we don't even always do that. Certain colors you can't keep, but certain ones you can. Hot pink. And that's gonna be a beautiful tie-dye. Thinking those are gonna blend together to make a nice color, you know.
I really need the scissors.
I know you're supposed to swap the tips. Yeah,
I guess
yeah. That was my plan. When I originally mixed it, turquoise. To the drying rack we go. Bottom shelf.
Sure.
Where it will sit for the next 24 hours until we're ready to rinse it on out. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We'll see y'all tomorrow.